Hi, my name is Ewa Gaczorek and I'm a WOODEXPERT specialist. In today's webinar, I will focus on WOODEXPERT design functionalities. I will present advanced modeling and methods for customizing the design environment. To begin with, a few words about our company. WOODEXPERT is our proprietary solution. We are a certified SOLIDWORKS distributor. WOODEXPERT is fully integrated with SOLIDWORKS. This is important because of the extensive design and manufacturing capabilities in the furniture industry. We can make any furniture to size. WOODEXPERT is a professional 3D CAD application with 5 main modules: design module, drawing generator, bump generator, CAM module, and nesting. This gives the user a single working environment. Here is today's agenda for our meeting. We will go through parametric modeling, advanced functions for furniture design, component library, environment personalization, and design variants. You can ask questions during the webinar. I will answer them at the end. So the first function, parametric modeling, parametric furniture, dimensionally variable components. All our library components are parametric, dimensionally variable. By inserting a model from the default WOODEXPERT library, we can give it any dimension and change it as we work. The first example is in inserting a furniture body for assembly. By designating successive planes, I specify the width, height, and depth of the furniture. I can change its dimension before acceptance and after. The board thickness parameters are also editable before accepting the dimension and after inserting. For the body, which is the reference for the rest of elements, I will insert the back. Thanks to define walls function, they will be adjusted automatically according to the configuration. I don't have to determine the walls manually. We can change the dimensions of the entire furniture without the risk of errors. We can make the same changes for extended furniture. Thus, within one model, we can create multiply versions or a collection of furniture in a quick way. As you can see, we have a mini collection for example, our client. Okay, fast changes of hull assemblies. The ability to change the dimensions of furniture in WOODEXPERT also applies to entire assemblies with multiplies models, since the individual pieces of furniture have been linked together during the creation of the project. Changing one model determines the fit of the rest of furniture. As you can see, the environment is stable and all internal elements like drawer, for example, also adjust dimensions to the changes. This is very important when we creating furniture collections or similar project for different clients. Okay, parametric sets. In WOODEXPERT, internal elements like connectors are also parametric. You can create your own sets or parametrical models and insert them into the WOODEXPERT library. So I indicate the board where the fittings are to go and specify their length and insertion parameters. We can rotate the fasteners to insert into vertical part. Hmm. Okay, we go to the advanced functions, technological collisions, quick detection of construction errors. After selecting Add Tooling, I move to the Collision tab. WOODEXPERT automatically detects machining collisions and classifies them by type. When a machinable with machinable collision is detected, it means that two plates collide. As you can see in the project, the horizontal plate enters the vertical partition. This allows us to detect technological errors before the manufacturing process. Okay, another functionality is quick rebuild option. It allows us to preview the insertion and proportions of a given model before accepting the operations. And as you can see, the handle is positioned and repeatable before placement. Okay, creating and saving material legends. We discussed material creation in previous webinar. In WOODEXPERT, we can create material legends with a selected code or name and use them in other projects. This is functionality resulting from WOODEXPERT reliance on the SQL database. In the legend library, we have a preview of the names and type of material distinguished by icons. We can add legends to existing ones in the project and then change them and create more. We can delete and edit material in a quick way. For example, changing parameters or description. Okay, and component libraries. To reduce design timing with WOODEXPERT, we can replace components in the model thanks to the replace component function. It will be inserted in the same reference on the model. We can set new parameters and choose the configuration. Internal components such as sliders in the design are also replaced without affecting the design. This function is useful for frequent changes of hinges and furniture hardware. Okay, extensive library of manufacturers. At WOODEXPERT, we provide our customers with libraries of manufacturers, Bloom, Hettich, Hafele. We have all catalogs with components sorted by name. We update all models on a regular basis. Okay, and personalization, advanced settings in the admin panel. Basic WOODEXPERT.SQL database is an important solution for designers. The project manager can log into a given database, assign employees to it, and set a number of settings and function for his team. From the language of the program, setting up units, setting up templates, CAM settings, individual machine settings, global variables, extensive customization of the drawing template, extensive editing of settings, checking boxes that convert data from model to documentation, adding new global variables, setting up columns with individual values in the BOM, selecting and changing the database server, nesting settings, activating and deactivating licenses. This is one of the most important features for the design and in our program. We can freely go to the next tabs of the settings. We can change the settings and save them. Okay, and next, design variants. Another interesting feature for furniture designer is a color variants. In WOODEXPERT, we can create any number of material variants, describe them with manufacturer codes or our own names. After adding a variant, we can change its name and descriptions, which will be included in the material list. We can switch between variants freely and quickly. And we can rebuild them in the project by selecting the rebuild material option. Okay, and quickly change the material list with a drop-down list of variants. After generating the material list, we are shown a list with the names of the variants. So we have 3 independent lists, and we can create their individual pricing thanks to indexes. The prices automatically update themselves. Okay, it's time for Q&A. Please be patient for a while. You will get link by email. How can we watch? Okay. Are this webinar recorded? Yes. Okay. So thank you for your attention. I invite you to check our blog, website, and social media. And please join us for a webinar next week. There will be a topic of manufacturing. So thank you. Have a nice day.